Well, I am Remy Vandamme. I am researcher in El Colegio de la Frontera Sur, Research Center of Mexico. Today we are finishing the second conference in organic beekeeping here in San Cristóbal de las Casas, Chiapas, Mexico. And we are happy because we have had 500 persons, which is a lot of people, from more than 15 countries. With, most of the people were coming from different countries of Latin America, also from the US, and different countries of Europe. So a big diversity of people. We had about 60 talks, 5 movies on experiences, beekeeping, organic beekeeping in different countries, different parts of the world.
Mm-hmm. And why did you here the place in Mexico? What is special about the beekeeping in Mexico?
Well, actually Mexico is the third exporter of honey at worldwide level, so it's a very big, an important country in beekeeping. And there is experience in organic beekeeping in Mexico for more than 20 years, I think. So it's one of the countries of reference for organic beekeeping. And there is still a very strong potential. I mean, in all the south of Mexico, there is very low industry, and so the potential to produce organic honey of very high quality is pretty good. And we wanted to use this conference as a way to promote organic production in Mexico. Also because San Cristóbal is a nice country, a nice city, a colonial city, and we thought it would be attractive for foreign people.
Yeah. So now let's start to talk to Salvador Garibay from FibL in Switzerland. So what are the most challenging topics here, or the top topics here on the conference?
Yes, as you say, this the most challenging topic, or one thing that was very interesting in this conference is to try this exchange of experience between beekeepers and also researchers of beekeeping we have here, and also we have traders visiting the conference. And the most challenging topics in the conference was the first one was GMO crops, that is trying to increase areas in Mexico, exploring areas, for example in Yucatan with 60,000 hectares trying to produce GMO soya, which is a big dangerous for the organic beekeepers in Mexico. And it was a long discussion with all the participants about this situation, and it will be a writing asking to the government to check up about the situation of this dangerous aspect for the beekeeping and also for the agriculture in general.
Yeah.
That's one topic. Another topic interesting was about food safety, or food safety of honey, and traceability was discussed about how the government makes the control of the whole traceability in Mexico. It seems from the producers or from the small beekeepers is too tight to strength for the beekeepers, and they asked to the government they should be in this place. Was a common question to the Senacica, the government, to ask about more flexibility, because in other countries are more flexible than in Mexico.
Yeah. And
now, as Remy is mentioned, is finishing the conference. We will still discussing about normatives, about beekeeping, besides many other topics. But there were 3 main topics in the conference, but we have all the other aspects that it covers about organic beekeeping.
And about the GMO risk, there is a communique that will be published?
Yes, it's going to be a communique. The colleagues are organizing the communique, and that should be published about next week, during the next week. And that will be directed to the authorities in Mexico. The Zagarpa is the main authority, and other secretaries in Mexico that take care about biodiversity and so on.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Both of you. Good luck for you.
Thank you.